Hi everyone, this is Corey from Shark Signals. I just want to show you a little something we're working on where we can use AI to send shark signals to your trade plan, which will then trigger and send orders to your broker. So to get started, you can just visit our Shark Skills public repository here. We'll put a link in the description and you can read all about it here. And to install it, all you have to do is tell your agent to install it. So I'm just going to copy this instruction right here. I'll switch over to Claude. Tell it to install the Shark Signal skill. Here it's saying I already had it because I had it from earlier, but it'll reinstall it anyways. So now it's just confirming that it changed from the last time I installed, but this won't affect you. It'll just install cleanly the first time. Okay, and like it says, we want to run reload skills just to make sure that it picks it up. There we go. And now we can try it out. Shark Signal. Now you see here, I've already used this once before, so it is offering to reuse the URL from the first time. But let's just pretend this is the first time. So I'm just going to enter my own URL. So to do that, I'm going to switch over to Shark Signals. So this is a trade plan that I have set up, and you can see I already have a strategy connected to it, this TV Strat 1, TradingView Strat 1. I don't have any brokers connected to it right now, but that doesn't matter for the sake of this demo. So I want to get the webhook, the URL for this strategy. So I can go to Signals and open the webhook here. I'm going to copy the webhook URL. Then I'll go back to Claude and paste in the URL. Now it's going to ask me for what kind of trade do I want to make. So I'm going to say I want to buy, say, 10 shares of Apple. Apple is a stock. You can use whatever symbol you want. Just make sure you tell it whether it's what kind of asset it is, a stock or futures or crypto or whatever. And now it's going to send the signal. Okay, so return code 200 means that it was successful. Your Shark Signal was successfully sent. So now we switch back over to the application. And if we go and check my user timeline, we will see a signal sent to buy Apple, 10 shares of Apple, just a few minutes ago, or less than a minute ago. And that's about it. So this shows how we have several methods to trigger a signal. You can either do it manually by entering the values here. You can hook it up to TradingView or some other third party, or you can actually just build your own AI agent or intelligence to trigger the signal under whatever conditions you want. And then, like I said, it'll go through the trade plan and then off to whatever brokers you have attached to issue orders. I hope that helps. If you think that we should add any more AI skills to our public repository, let us know. And the code in there is open source. So if you want to customize this skill to your own trading strategy or your own AI agent, however you want to do it, feel free. All right, thanks. Bye.